that Peppa and Betta? Bo's first time meeting some animals. It's actually his second time out and about on the harness. He waits at the door now after that first time. He was already ready again for the second time. But the first time he went right to eating grass. Now he seems a little more curious as to who these other animals are. Good boy, Bo. Gonna go visit the sheep next. He turned around and said, nope. He said, nope, I'll go see the woods. He says, no thanks. That's okay. Oh, I love seeing them back here. This is actually the spot we're clearing out for the boys. Back here, it's gonna come way up here, and then they'll go down to that corner and back around there a bit. So they're gonna get a huge enclosure down here. We're gonna start, well, we've already started work on that. That's what all this is, clearing that out. So we're clearing it, and hopefully we'll start breaking ground next week, and these boys will have a beautiful new home back here, pretty close to the sheep. Oh, he says, I'm gonna go check it out. Let me see what I think of it. But yeah, they'll be back here amongst all this and have a little bit of woods and lots of fresh things to graze on, and just really cool enrichment as far as just really different environment than just the clear open enclosure that they have right now. That's the goats. I think the sheep are trying to figure you out as much as you're trying to figure them out. And he's done.